Hello viewers, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make Jaggery Mysorepak recipe. Everyone will love Mysurpa, but what if we give a healthy twist by making it with jaggery? Also, Jaggery Mysorepak don't absorb lot of ghee like white sugar Mysorepak. They just literally melts in your mouth. Let's jump into the making. First, in a pan, I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. I am going to roast the besan flour first. I am adding 1 cup of besan flour. Roast it for 5 to 7 minutes until the raw smell goes. Do not make the time shorter. Roast this at least for 7 minutes. Otherwise, your Mysurpa will have a raw smell. Let's sieve the roasted flour. Set it aside. Sieving is necessary because once you sieve the flour, you get the soft consistency of the Mysurpa. In the same pan, I am adding 1 cup jaggery with half cup of water. Mix it well. Let the jaggery completely dissolve in water. Do the whole process in medium flame to avoid burning it. We need 1 string consistency for the jaggery. This is how we check the 1 string consistency. I removed it from heat and add the besan flour. Add it as soon as possible. It should not take more than a minute. Add it in 2 batches until well combined. There should not be any lumps. Once everything is mixed together, add 1/4 cup of water as jaggery crystallizes fast. The water stops it from crystallizing. Once the paste starts to stick into the pan, add the oil or ghee, little at a time. You can add 2 tablespoons at a time. See, our besan flour has changed color. This is the perfect consistency. The color depends upon the jaggery you are using. The overall process should take about 20 minutes. See, the whole mixture comes into a single mass and non-stick. Let's remove it from heat and add it into a greased plate. Level it with a spatula and let it cool. I have used only 1/4 cup of oil and 1/4 cup of ghee. You can use any one or both like me. This Mysurpa is more softer than the white sugar ones as we have used jaggery. If you cook more than this, then your Mysurpa will be a little harder. Once cool, I cut it into pieces. See how soft it looks. With jaggery, the Mysurpa can be easily prepared. It does not absorb more ghee or oil. It literally melts in your mouth. Try this amazing recipe today and comment your feedback. The notes and ingredients are given in the description box. Do check out the sweet playlist in the description too. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Thank you.